Hello friends, welcome back to the new video friends. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how to set face lock in our Oppo phone. Friends, you want to set guys face lock in your Oppo phone, so friends you can set. And guys now let's see how to set face lock in our Oppo phone, and guys how can you use guys your face lock setting in Oppo phone. In this video I will show you friends. So first of all guys, open your phone settings to set your face lock. Then guys scroll it, and guys you can see guys password and security settings. Friends, tap here as click on face lock setting. So before set guys face lock, we will have to guys set any pattern and password and number. So I will click on this numbering, and guys you want to set guys your pattern. So guys any password, so we will take this pin lock. So example for guys I will take this 1234, and guys use, and guys, don't forget your pin, okay friends. And guys now we will have to show our face guys. Then guys click on guys continue, and guys now we will have to show our face. So while I'm going to pause video guys, show your face. After show face guys, your face lock will set automatic guys. You can see guys we have this face lock. So it's come back. So guys you can check. So guys you can open your phone, enter your pin, and guys show your face guys. So like that guys you can set guys your face lock in your Oppo phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.